Please subscribe Tech and Gadget and hit the bell icon so that you would not miss any video from Tech and Gadget. Subscribe because it's free, and hit the bell icon to remain notified of new videos from Tech and Gadget.
Hold me close till I get.
For ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With a smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is a Chip? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so you can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms.
Hi, my name is Tapia. And this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night. Not good. So get home early today. Take some rest. And? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Apo.
Sure.
Tapia. Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tabia, call my mom.
Yes. Tabia, dog robot companion.
We chase and leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
In today's hectic world, it's getting increasingly difficult to remember what truly matters: the health of you and your loved ones. But now, someone can help. With his artificial intelligence, Pillow recognizes each and every member of your family and starts caring for them.
Clara, here are your cholesterol pills. I see you're running low. Shall I reorder them for you?
Thank you, Pillow. That'd be great.
Pillow is 100% secure, and his skills and functionalities will grow the more you use him, the more he gets to know you.
Here are your vitamins to go. Enjoy your training session, Liza.
Thank you, Pillow.
Since Pillow's always connected, he can answer all of your health-related questions.
Pillow, how many calories are in a celery stick?
6 calories, Clara. Celery is excellent for your health.
Great, I'll have a bunch then.
Aww. Good morning.
Pillow is simple to set up and makes the management of complex medication regimens very easy. He'll remind you, so you'll never miss a dose again.
Wait, John, it's Tuesday. Here's your blood pressure medication.
You're right. Thank you, Pillow.
And if you want, he'll notify your caretakers in case of an emergency, like when he forgot his heart medication.
Hey, Dad. I just got a message from Pillow. Everything okay?
Because, you see, Pillow's not just a member of the family, he's a true healthcare companion. And since he can sync with any wearable and wireless devices, Mark can share his combined health and wellness data through one secure, user-friendly platform where he receives fast and reliable feedback.
Goodbye, Doctor. Thank you, Pillow.
Because sometimes, all you need to stay healthy is a friendly, timely reminder. And that's exactly what Pillow will do for you.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted. A handyman. A teacher. A friend.
This is fun.
He is perfect in every way. He can be just about anyone. A carer.
Thank you, Ido.
homemaker. He's a personal butler who's trustworthy. He is whatever you want him to be.
Sure.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Claire, I have a reminder for you. Don't forget the family photo shoot at 5 o'clock.
I gotta make dinner! Hey Zembo, follow me!
Hi, I am Zenbo.
Today's the big day!
The annual family photo!
Everyone wants to outdo themselves from last year. In my case, it'll be easy. I just need to make dinner before we shoot.
Turns out the 10 pounds the camera has don't go away if you don't eat. Everyone just gets grumpy.
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Let's see here. I guess I could make celery soup with hot dogs. Or seafood paella. Hey Zembo, help me find a seafood paella recipe.
Step 1. Put the onion and fennel in the bowl and then add some olive oil.
Okay, next step?
Step 2. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook the ingredients for 5 minutes.
Well, well, well. 65 years young. Mine's still sharp as a tack. I didn't even need a reminder about the photo shoot today.
Bob, you have one to-do item. Take blood pressure medication.
All right. Of course. Back in my day, we knew how to dress for a photo. I'm always adding to my outfit to help keep it fresh. Thomas, big guy, how about adding one of those leather belts to Grandpa's outfit?
Sure, need help ordering it?
Smart as a whip, my boy.
Okay, just click on Buy It Now and press on Log In with the account I set up for you last time.
B-O-B. A-W-E-S-O-M-E. Did I ever tell you you're my favorite grandson?
Ow! Grandpa, I gotta go.
To what do I owe the pleasure? No. To whom do I owe the pleasure? It's not where are we, but when are we? Yes.
Wolf, 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 wolf.
All right, kids, get over here. Hey Zembo, let's read The Big Bad Wolf and the Seven Little Sheep.
After the door opened, the postman turned out to be the Big Bad Wolf instead.
I'm the Big Bad Wolf. I'm going to eat you.
Eat her, not me.
My little sheep, cover your face and don't let the Big Bad Wolf find you.
You think I can't find you? I will eat all of you little sheep.
Dad, this story is better than your last book.
Whoa, that's harsh. I guess playtime's over. Daddy's got to go work on his craft.
Fine. Hey, Zimbo, let's play fun quizzes.
Do you know how bees communicate with one another? Do they dance?
Yes, they do.
That's right, but they also use smell and sound too.
You can subscribe by clicking on the circle. You can also subscribe by clicking on the tiny button on the corner of your screen. You can watch my other videos by clicking on them. Please like and share my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Hope you love this video and I will see you in my next video.